Are you making the best breakfast choice? I'm Susan Bowerman, registered dietitian, and today we're comparing a ham and cheese breakfast sandwich to an Herbalife Formula One shake. Let's take a look at our sandwich first. Here I have a ham, cheese, and egg breakfast sandwich on a croissant. This sandwich has about 490 calories and 20 grams of protein, but it also has about 25 grams of fat, and it has about a third of a teaspoon of salt. There's 830 milligrams of sodium in this sandwich. That's like eating 5 fried chicken wings for breakfast. Now, let's compare that to an Herbalife Formula One shake made with low-fat milk and strawberries. If you were to have the shake, you'd only be taking in about 240 calories. That's less than half what's in the sandwich. You'd be getting about the same amount of protein, but you'd only be getting about 3 grams of fat and a pinch of salt.